Alright, you guys, how y'all doing? Can y'all help me with my own camera here? I mean, seriously, I've been charging this damn thing so much. I mean, it's not coming on. Like, really, and the doggone light keeps blinking later on. I mean, seriously. It comes on. See, it actually does come on. I mean, it does come on, but it doesn't charge. Really. Seriously, when I take this shit off, it's gonna die. It's not telling me when it's charged or nothing, really. So hang on, y'all. Be right back. Alright, you guys. Let's see what. Let's see. See, this camera still don't have not charged at all. Let me take this off. Let me take the damn charger off. There we go. See, it's dead. I can't do shit with this camera, dude. Somebody tell me what I'm doing wrong.